Hey everyone, today we have a Gua Sha routine to reduce lines and wrinkles. And right now I'm drawing wrinkles on my face with my lip liner to show you the wrinkles that we get by time on our face. Through this video, as I'm doing the exercises, you'll see how these lines are erasing on my face. And that shows you by time that you're doing this routine, wrinkles will fade and go away exactly like these lines. Don't forget to moisturize your skin with a facial oil or a moisturizer. First, let's start with the neck. I'm going down on the sides of my neck, and that will help with the lymphatic drainage and opening up the lymph nodes. And then I'm going upwards on other parts of my neck like this to reduce the fat and also reduce horizontal lines or any fine lines on my neck. Then I go to my jawline and I do the jawline sculpting massage. This is one of my favorite massages. I really love this massage because it helps remove double chin fat. It sharpens the jawline, relaxes the muscles, releases tension in the jaw. It also reduces wrinkles on the lower face, like the wrinkles on the chin and jowls. Then I'm going to my jowls and I start to go upwards from the chin towards the sides of my nose, doing this 5 times on each side. While I'm doing this, I'm trying to say the letter O to keep my mouth open. Then I'm going to the barcode lines on the lips. I'm moving around the lips with my Gua Sha tool 5 times clockwise and 5 times counterclockwise, working on the muscles here and releasing the tension. The reason that we get these lines is the tension in the muscles that makes them tense. As a result, they get shortened. With this exercise, we are lengthening the muscles by relaxing them. Next exercise is for the smile lines. To unfold them, I'm doing this for 10 times on each side. This will also help the upper lip to lift, and as a result, we'll get fuller lips. It's so important for the skin to be moisturized, so don't forget to use your moisturizer and facial oil before the exercises. Next, the cheek lifting exercise. This exercise is one of my favorites again because it has many effects on the face. It lifts the face overall. It sculpts the cheeks, makes them fuller, reduces the smile lines, lifts the cheeks. I said that. Yeah, I said lifting the cheeks, I guess. But yeah, it really lifts the cheeks. And obviously it helps with sagging jowls and reduces any wrinkles in this area, including mid-cheek wrinkles. It also depuffs the skin and reduces stagnant fluid under the skin, so it helps the nose to look smaller. Next exercise is for under eyes. So as you can see, I'm holding the skin on my nose upwards, and with the other hand, I'm moving my Gua Sha slowly and smoothly under the eyes. Be so smooth on this area. Don't go too close to the eyes. This exercise is good for reducing eye bags and dark circles. Doing this for 5 times on each side. Next exercise is for crow's feet, which are so common. So again, I'm holding the skin with one hand, and with the other, I'm just unfolding the wrinkles upwards with my Gua Sha towards the scalp. This exercise unfolds the wrinkles and also lifts the eyes, giving the eyes that foxy cat eye look. Next exercise is for hooded eyes and puffy eyes. This is also one of the exercises that is good for reducing headache, but the main effect of it is to depuff the eyes. It helps to reduce frown lines as well, as it relaxes the brow muscles. It also lengthens the brow muscles. This exercise is again one of the exercises that I do daily because I find it effective for the eyes and brows. So you see guys, as I move up my face, the lines are disappearing and the only part remaining is my forehead. And the next exercise is for frown lines. I start with a warm-up massage and I do this for 15 seconds between my brows to release the tension in the muscles first and relax them. Immediately afterwards, I go upwards on my forehead to the scalp and I lift the area. This will help help to reduce any wrinkles and fine lines in this area. The next exercise is a two-part exercise. The first part is for vertical wrinkles. As you've noticed, guys, this exercise comes exactly after the frown lines exercise and helps reduce vertical wrinkles, including frown lines or 11 lines. All of these exercises overlap. Actually, that was my main goal in designing this routine. I wanted to put the exercises in an order so that they can complete each other and they can be as effective as possible. The next part of this massage is for horizontal wrinkles and lines on the forehead. For this exercise, I do 3 upward moves on the brows towards the scalp. This exercise is another one of my favorites because it has many benefits. Again, it helps reduce wrinkles, relaxes the muscles, lifts the forehead, and as a result, lifts the brows and reduces hooded eyes. It also gives the eyes a cat eye look and helps to reduce headache as it relaxes the muscles and detoxifies the skin by reducing stagnant fluid in the area. Lastly, I do a quick lymphatic drainage. I start from my forehead, I stop on the temples, on my ears, and then I go down on the sides of my neck and finally on the collarbones. And then I repeat this for the other side. Lymphatic drainage is a very important part of all facial routines because, as you know, it removes toxins from the face and reduces puffiness and stagnation. So this was it for today's routine. I hope you liked this routine. Don't forget to like and share this and also subscribe to my channel. See you next one. Bye!